So we're on our science now. So our science is focusing on sun and windows. So here's our beginning part for it. It says, stand near a window when the sun is shining through it, and again when the sun is not shining through it. Compare how the window feels when the sun is shining through compared to when it isn't. So we're thinking about that window. What does it feel like when the sun shines on it and when the sun doesn't shine on it? Discuss the questions below with someone and then answer them on a sheet of paper. You can fill out these sentence stars if you want, or answer them without. So you can either answer the questions right here, or you can use the sentence starters down here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these sentence stars to answer it, so it's all one paragraph. So does it feel different when with the sun compared to without? So that's this first part right here. When the sun shines through the window, it feels what? Well, it feels hot and warm. So a pretty basic sentence there. Then without is this next sentence. When the sun doesn't shine through, it feels what? It feels cool and refreshing. Especially since it's starting to get that summertime and we like that cool feeling. So now our next question says, what has happened to make the window feel different when the sun is shining through compared to when the sun is not shining through? So I think it feels different because the sun is providing heat that the window absorbs. Now I don't know if that's right, but that's why it's saying I think. So why do you think it feels different when it shines on the window? So now we have this next part. Another thing that feels different when the sun shines on it is what? So we answered, what is happening to make the window feel different? Well, we think it's that sun providing the heat. Then can you think of another time in your life when the sun shine on something changed how it felt? So what else changes when the sun shines on it? So I'm going to think about out on the playground, we have that blacktop or the asphalt where cars park where you play basketballs. And if you've ever noticed, if you stick your hand on that, it gets really hot when the sun shines on it. So that's what I'm going to put. Another thing that feels different when the sun shines on it is the asphalt. And that's just that blacktop that we play basketball on where cars park as well. Now, it says, can you think of why that is? So I think that is because the sun is shining on it and again is providing heat that the blacktop absorbs. Alright, so now we have this part. The materials I would use to make a window cooler when the sun is shining is what? So now I need to think, is there something that when the sun shines on it, it's not as hot? Well, we have tin foil. Tin foil reflects that sunlight, so the one side that's touching the sun or facing the sun is hot. On the back side is that. But that's not going to be very good for our house because we do want to get some light in. So what I'm thinking is shade. So I'm going to put maybe some curtains because we'll still get some light. But it's also going to stop that sun from directly hitting the window. The materials I use to make a window cooler when the sun is shining is outlining them with a curtain. Because, and then how that curtain help? It will stop the sun from directly hitting the glass and being absorbed, but it will still allow light to pass through and brighten the room. Alright, now I'll tell you, I honestly don't know what the school district was aiming for with this one, so whatever you have, as long as you have an explanation why, I will take it. I'll see you guys later. Bye.